Good day everyone. I hope that everyone has enjoyed their holidays. Now I'm starting with the new poem, that is The Shed, which has been written by the Franklin. He is telling about the shed. Yes, shed is a place which is far away from your house, in which you used to keep the things which is not in use. Right, so it's a place where the things are being kept. Yes, it can be a cow shed as well, the tool shed, a wood shed. So many sheds are there. Fine. So now you can see the picture, the particular shed he is talking about. This he wanted to explain in the particular poem. So we'll be starting this poem. You can see the image. This is actually a shed which is far from his main house. Fine. So there's a shed at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. So he's saying that the place of the shed is it's a bottom of the garden. Fine, he's saying that he can see the spider's web as well, which is being hanging across the door. Hanging, why so? Because that particular shed is not being cleaned or not in use. That's why the spider's web is being hanging over there. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in bed, I listen. I will open that door one day. He is saying that that when he is there in the bed, he can listen the voice. He can listen the rustiness. He can listen the hinge's voice as well. So this is he was talking about, and he was saying that I will open. He was curious to know what is there inside the shed. So that's why he's saying that one day he will definitely open that door. There's a rusty old window at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. He's saying you can see that there is a 3 panes. The 3 window panes are there, which is having a crack as well. So he's saying, I often think there's someone staring at me from that particular window panes. He's saying that the window panes are there. He must be thinking about when I used to pass from there, someone is watching at me, someone is staring at me. But he is having a thing, the curious mind, that he is saying that I will peep through that window one day. He is saying from that window only I will look into. Peep means look into. He will look into that window one day, that what is there in that house. My brother. Now he was explaining it, that how his brother was manipulating it. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floor beds. He's saying the floor beds, the floorboards are there, which is made up of the wooden only. He's saying that there is a ghost. There is a ghost inside that house, and he's saying that that he was hiding himself under the rotten boards only. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. But I will take a peep one day. I will take a peek one day. He is saying that if he will move inside that house, he will move. If he put a leg in a foot inside the house, that particular ghost, he is used over here for the ghost. Ghost will come out and he will chop his head. Still, he was having a curiosity that he will peep in that house. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells a lie to keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises, and the spider has been gone from his web. Since I don't know when, I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. He is saying that I know very well that whatever my brother is saying about the ghost, that is a lie, that was not true. Fine. And he was saying why he was saying he wanted to keep his things under the shed. He wanted to keep all the things into the shed. That's why he was just making it a fool of me. And now he is saying that there isn't anyone staring. No one is staring at him. No voices he can listen from there. He cannot see any web there. But still he was saying that I will go inside one day. He will go inside, but when? He is not aware of. Not now, but he will go inside that house. So this is a particular poem which is being covered by the Frank Flynn. Fine. So in this particular poem, he was explaining about the shed which was there at the bottom of the garden. He was actually curious to go inside that house. He wanted to see what is there inside the house, but he was having a fear in his mind that he cannot enter inside the house. But he is still having a thing in his mind that he will definitely go inside that house. One day he will definitely peep everything. One day he will see whatever things are been there. Fine. So I hope that you have understood this poem. Thank you everyone.